All the incurable fans, all the incurable people. Share the video from you. Good evening, good evening, good evening. Eva. Good evening, guys. Share the video for more. Good evening, everyone. Share the video for more. Because when you come for Europe, where it's Nigeria, what do I say? Come on me, see when Wale. Oh, me take me to me. Wait, Zana wa. Every show I make me to me. Oh, we me what do me, ma woman? Woman, make me a ho. Man, pandediam. La wo she wa ti le binds. Try and wale binds. La wa rien le di binds. Wa try and wale tomato si here you know. A binds or wa home a binds. Meanwhile, before a binds the cave ga. E ma rock by run on he planted cheese even na. Before binds like binds in wale ni wale tomato si here yo. Tomatoes oya buy you know. Oya buy you know. Everyone he planted cheese Serena before he binds the cake guy, you know. The person you're the what do make oh baba sister kawe borena. What do make oh wow, lovely planted cheese on yekpa. What do make oh lovely planting cheese. So, Baba, webo makere na. Oh, look, Beke, Banesin. Why you guys start here? Beke, are you deaf? Beke when I'm blending. Bekere, are you there? Baba. Ewebo makere, my next time is very only. Espresso agberawa. But if they dey Europe, you can't see over sabi everything. Over sabi they inside their finger. But in your like ewebo so wa. Ani no maila dia wu gbogyobo. No mu gbogyobo adi ewebo. Iyan like say in Nigeria ye de gbe mu ewebo ari Nigeria. Iyan do atinyo botinyo mu emu. Aveni we azuzuzuzuzuzu wo de do ma bu wiku. Aveni we azuzuzuzuzu wo mama dede. Oge apenya. Share the video. Baba, share the video, guys. Good evening. Good evening, good evening. Share the video. That's why yeah, 40-something years old. Made to a gay, into a woman, on my gay or woman, into a one. He were my polite way. Hey,
my king.
I walk her soup bevel where. I walk her soup bevel where. I why no ba. I why ne diendu. I why no isa. I why ne oreneus. I why. Good evening, guys. Good evening, good evening, good evening, everybody. Good evening. God bless you for coming around. Please, if you have not yet liked and follow this page, this is Curing the Uncure. Make I hear you shout, 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 curing the waiting, uncure. In this place, we they cure the people where we know say we go fit cure. The one where they are not, they already lose through. We now everybody cure. We all leave them, they run the entire side. See down where they show for live video now where they back big yawo yo ga gbo iwo back big yawo yo back big no why o ma no see your ni egbosa lo ba parin yen so egbe ma very oni you leave them by their faith to judge Jehovah salo ba parin mo ni egbera beni ma ti dey cure we go come cure them people like Lolekia we know say she get 3 children and those children are so beautiful wonderful lovely children and she still get husband and by the special grace of God na Nigeria man marry no matter wetin even if say na Igbo or whatever as long as it's still in Nigeria we dey hold the same passport so that kind of person whether good or bad no matter wetin constant rain all of us they go back home our children are going back home whether you marry from Sokoto Kotoso Kanu Naku anyone so far it is in Nigeria. All these kind of people, if they do bad, whether na Ishama, whether na Agbo, whether na Weri, if they do anything, last, we are holding the same green purple. You see all those one where people say they don't lost their future, lost their destiny, lost their direction, they don't lost everything. Even when they thought today say, I'm going to pay your bride price. I don't see how people from the other side of South Africa here do migrate where you were to play. Do area do stay? How do you pay bride price? How those kind of people now money they go pay people? Maybe they can't pay their bride price. So all those kind of they don't lost their destiny, they don't lost their future, they don't lost everything. We not go to mind them. You understand? They are a disgrace to a Nigeria citizen. So my beautiful, wonderful people, you all are welcome. You all are come where? You all are come where come? Okay, no more. Ijo, we move. Who they there? We move. So, all that being said, you know, okay, may I use pidgin anyway, not be so na not go school, na we correct, go, no ma ve jo wa ve zuwa, ni we azuzuzu, wa de do ma viku, any wa we azuzuzu, have any je we ni ana bolo, you know, all those things, you know. With all that being said, I just want to welcome you all properly to ODL Kate Show and also Curing the Incurable, both Facebook and YouTube. And also, I've come to realize one thing. Before I go flog Lolo, let me quickly put this. I've come to realize one thing. Lately, never too long now, I don't consider and say, many of the old presenters, the things where they don't use their hand cause for the past life or for the past few years, they want come they use them till they rob the new upcoming one. I don't realize the one because I'm a very spiritual person. I'm a spiritual person. Even if we just they pretend to they fight each other, I'm a spiritual person. And also, for many people where they just carry for inside matter, I say a big disgrace to you. A big disgrace to your personality, to your household. Because if you really look on you yourself, if you sit down, think on, say, since we go a party come and all of that, epa wa talk be baba, Obama we talk be vekete noje, he said. Since all these things happen, initially, if you be person where be say you are not a disgrace to your personality, you go sit down and reason and say, all these things, Kate not really talk to me. He talk to people. And you still both. You write down, you say, Kate, go and apologize to German people and all of that. As a presenter, which you don't even, you are the last person to even write that thing. Because as a presenter, you just have to shut up and let others do the talking. Because all the presenter, will they commit one crime or the other. Will they do wrong thing in one way or the other. And no other presenter don't ever tell you, say, go do this thing, go do that one with for your own platform. All of una where they look muna, no waiting that they try talk. Una not be mumu, na tell like una not be fool, una not be mumu. Whether person they talk in parable, whether person not they talk in parable, you guys are so smart to catch where the matter is going. All these things started, and you also, you are not that perfect. Now your mistake can't even worse pass for this social media. And no presenter don't ever write, post time for your own wall. Mention your name, say, go and apologize or go and do this. No presenter has ever do it because we are all presenters or we are all one thing or the other, talker or one thing or the other, you know. I don't like to always give myself some rank. All of us now talk with the talk. Nobody, though, even when you carry police go arrest person or whatsoever, nobody use the platform to write you message. Nobody. But you both reach that level, you do as if say nothing they happen. That is number one disgrace that you brought to yourself and to your entire generation, which is fine. Then again, you see say they post your flat nyash. Nobody ever even tell you say na Kate or not be Kate or nothing. You see they bring up your ugly head, no problem. Then the most shameful thing where I can see can be all these thing. I don't want to go into that matter because na Lolekia bring me come out. But sometimes I want mo uregbe una dey see. I just want canton the keta songe. Una say but not be say they no be ahonko. And also that type of person forever and ever I pray maybe say it not ever concern me because all those low class, local non-entity people is somebody you don't just like want to talk to. Because one, onya ya omane, oloroma suke yo uru because ugage the old drama where it happened, the old things. Kate and Sarah not ever call his name, they not ever mention his name, they not ever do anything. You understand? Ore igwese no you we medin, abado we now. You understand? If they get some kind of trouble where some people go they do for social media, you say, it water and I feco. But for this one, personally, all of them don't carry barrel na the jotan. Say the time where be say Kate, where he record the kilo vary that time. Now this same person carry the matter on a kuko kiana moy. Kate no answer am. Kate, person call me when they bath. He say, Kate, I like you just so free. Waro we nyama. Everybody beg ba ma ya wa beg ba. Ma beta we me. But for the past how many years, 1 year plus, whether you like social media, if 2 people, 3 people fit call you, confront you for this kind of thing, you'll see clap for yourself. Or where you never just carry person matter wa mwenya huwe when he be say they not offend you. Papa Walao, he insult all the presenter. He insult or the presenter ya fe no gire we bone. No ri gwaye ni he insult them. So all no ni urala diadori ya tijo because a presenter we can understand. Not your bony presenter here. We can understand. Say maybe you can't define person trouble every time. Then no wona do na we mama mi e we very oni begba matin begba e yen wa ve te o remi les your kuzebu de begba because right now na mi ta wu yen o wo ma no money sila dan wo ma no anything dai enyo pa ma no be kwere ejemi ama iwe you not even measure that thing for your video. I say waya wesi awa gbon regbe wa bere waya wesi. Then he say when that one all happen for recording on or anybody no get record on man is a wizard, is a this, is a crazy. But last, you know ya record avema no comment in or one amu ladian or one you one. Or when no the many things no can't. I was like, oh ya me post me post. I was like, okay, me mete vejere. Or what me ma so bana beti waya ni rebe joanzen. Or woman me nube we the period ni be beti waya zen o. Or una wa be pipe lo wa be gwegwan una wa be rest. Or one year or waiting more than 5 occasion. No ma be na offend we no na gwa lo we. Or we o ma no go egwan lugan. But ona do ya we mi. Or we in egbon you ever you are a disgrace to everybody. Now say all these kind of people attention seeker. I know how they take the treat them. Worry. And I was so happy. So that is that. I want it to be recorded here for now where they use wisdom. You understand? But I will not start. I might wait till CIA. I don't want picture. Mona say ne in a roman. Okay, guys. So that one for that one because I am not we I go. No. So that is that. Okay, lole ki anyevo iwatiere. Why give me a moron baviniana? It die. If I hold one person like this, if I hold one person like this, I go hold on tight. Or when any kai gas work belly can kill flat chopping it. Here belly can a different corner. Megi me make tu wa piri wa zo me. Wa be bere ni na gwe. Ni na gwe. Vinya winya tie egwa. No winya kaka. Omobi. Una see that period. Eri wa bete ya ladia. Egbe. Ekia queen ne no ma. No ma de ke no joviere. Oni na be helele period ona we rorie face me. Se keti anu gwa wa be face atwari. We bu mi ade. Egani. Okona na te wa be rezu hwen wa ya bere na ebo na igagme na yo we audio recording we kan we na oku we bo ere eke akun yamu ona we worry okona is a distraction gi obumi ade ya gbe eke akun yamu we reni ana wa be meri ma be say yo many occasions like that and which on another ma where she is a big fool because of what pariva in short una be in short more rest that one can't be that one what elole kia me no wu gbe o bagbon elole kia wo si amenosioni lole kia awun dan we susu unwe susu du bono give away analyze we there in nowhere ogbeda we oni awa we topic ro beta e to ni ma o dani wa we hin toyi dukpo no wa iwa mi ro ni wa ne hu papa oni ga posi papa elole ki avo nu gbe onu tu wa gbon unu gba nu ari agbon se no gun ana vala we ja dani ni yen wo yi tama we na we iga mu pa mu imu etantan ya isi we mi a boluwe uwe ayere na rechingon mi nine no sikane gie na no that chingon na le one that they say go dey small rubber small container oye gede gbogi sikan gbare chingon mi ni aya so de gallo vere ni na say the soda gallo in gallo get problem that time my complain lole kia anupama we are gbe mama ewu meriji ozo no lo ma na gbonre ege na ya bi ewe awa ya we romance na wa ewe o ispa mini na hin omo ayi bi ona na do ati abi yuwa na bi yeson yen givo na iwe connect ege ma mi ahe na pa bo mi ma like ege ya ahe teme tested and trusted wado de Faith beauty class easy empire wado gunya de to tested and trusted nika popa imi amioni don nika zege po no na lole ki anogun agbe yada ona do amu eki ora be me na se go sege ni na wo ma gbon no ina agwire odo ibe guise yogo no ni because that girl that time I don't know say they quarrel. I don't know say they are two now. They quarrel. Me they still they look they say they be best friend. When that one can't spoil the market, I can't invest. Now na lole kana ro live video na amu business area. E sera ona amu area be live video ogun do gbo lole kia. Nyewo ye here ade. Nika pe no ya mu kiria. Okay, well done yo. I also comment.
I just did my hair. This one is a
ona. Nyewo nai. Oye wona no. Ona no.
Sales and some leftovers.
Ogun ragbo. E sales and some leftover ragbo. Ni ka analyze on na zege. Ona we ni yemwe business area yobo. Awe sales and leftover. Awo run wado de no gun anagbede de ne kisun ara wo wa. Ide emi ni oni ari. He said the bet, the waist trainer, when Sarah they say, I want your marquis on like bay, you know good, of your marquis on like bay.
You have a big occasion coming. Esther Dokbai is coming and you want to do
Esther Dokbai day and a way a slimmy bet in Yadokian Guana Bue. Oh, yes, I introduce all that we and one because all wa book more do. No, while Yarekia. Basi anagbelo lo mana de fi weri yi ene ki awu emi no tie ju he lo lo kin ba gbon iba bora la lo gbe o ma mo le si la janu wa do de Omamu book Moladian Wado Davi Honiro Wado. Omamu Chala where who no Maladian, heavy not tear you, Ella here, Ogwag Buelolo. Any not tear you, Ella Webers, oh Jesus. Any not tear you, Ella move where there's also media. Help. Bon is your na your work bill in we make us no. Bon is your na your work bill. Ajayi no. Bon is your na your work bill in we no see no. Ekios your na your work bill lolo. Emi no tie you he. Emi no tie you he. Emi no tie ikebe. Emi no tie ikebe. Lolo move way. Away. Isalo buane. Agnoyari ye, wune mose. Agnoyari ye rapano siyo ma jojo wokbia. Ana miewa ugbakoto lolo. Ugbakoto. O umie vio mo boguri ye no geva we no guana valo we yada. Esta wade denia. O wade miemi emi no tiejuwe. O wade mwela tia. Abi huomene mose. Wala hon wageze joe. But boys, boss, if I bought we ever bought a lot like be. Don't know where you for Monica. Oh, Baba. Azun where the man, oh, well, my adult, as you my adult, why my adult. Don't hate you, no, see on a lot like be. Austin. Oh, go back, bossy, but I already had a white tea, Kiam with Lolori Averian. Who's the Balekia, a lolo, hear me, young boya. Emi no tie you, hello, he we here. Wow, the body shaper. Wow, the bobo was your naje lolo. A body shaper, the yakansa, not the UK, any. The body shaper, the yakansa, eh? Eganamana here, body shaper, my yamagaje, ikua. Ubone, Biana ke, Nigeria, Ravakia, popo. Ubone. Ikemo won not viati ukwa ukbonu kwari olandi doku maya body shape na magare ebo mati yana rekwemi na deport gari owa boss yo na ye lolo egba na mi ewe mi no tieju he wo ogun ga gbo e lolo. Then now we were but we are not allowed by the social media. One we are see your body who ni boom umyo bomiere o salobo ni megaba no rekete ekwenwe emi temo allowed be unugba no ari agbonse isalobo ani ba ide ujeme lolo na megbe na be do fu mani bi edore ba ide mujemo emi no tieju he o hin. Wori ka body shape ka quest do mu quest aria lolo ai de mere sai de kuno na de pane ave do mere ko so we in ave do ahama next year wa be rebania but this time next year go and do DNA ai ma ya hie be ya sinwa lolo go gboa isa lo bua mo ko me lolo wa yo fo me o lolo yo fo me. Iwi gwagwa egume ya zin. Iwi gwagwa oge no. Iri wina viwa we mi video na nyafu egume na we lolo iwa boga la we gbete we ni be so wa. Ite we ni be so wa kin ogo me. Ihwe die dai. Ija mu yo da fon me we. Lolo we gbegin yen egbe okin. O we gbe okin yen bo wi wa bota ba bo wi e. O we te ri wa bo kin aru ere mu ere le liyen ge lolo. Boy, body shape kakwe, esta no deji. Ime no one wagume no lolo. Why you gonna bale na jena o bagbene? Na jena bagbene. He o come nuwa. Ama inyo wiere no la no la jari be efo. Amare na ma fun ene. Ya ama wi be ni agerun de ofo for me. Iga be efo no wadam yo re e omo ba ti ona. Ni bi ado ya ga dere gbe wo mi. Ite here. Ni ke gbe oge. Ya be gbe na nia. Here me no be uwa ku oje be se egbe lolo wo me o baba lolo is iga ya say mi ya fi emi ya because asa gbon me ya fi emi na eye mami wa ya say mi gun me ni ya wipe isa lo buami ibe teni atave na aku ore no imebo denia rugbo fie ma waru we pata breza shopping ya wagwale no wa le no wa le lupe we no be rie la diava peos lolo gun agbo Et là, la tour à tout bout. Il va boire moua, il va boire là où est bébé, non là où est bébé. Il boit de manania. Erere waka kulete peta brano lugu be wenove yari la den wakoma be esta de wakoma be elolo esta when we advertising ye e mata no ni we no bia wo who advertising ye so mama when we ya tie ju he o ma when we shin ya tie ju he we ni kagbo uhe no gya gbuke uhe nu kagbo o we no bia wo who shin ye wewe na jiye ta magno wiye de na la wo na vio boji yeke o ma we na jiye ti eju he ne kwemu ne weri abu ololo be ne ni eje eri unu lo wa ti eniye o ra hunu eni le nunu ya tu ogbiwo odo yo to ibo de mania ehie wa repent abreza shop ifie ma ehie wa be rodonia ogwaluze no be do wa be ore ba kwe iye be de dogbe amarene ugbe ma gba kwe be gbe ugbe ma gba kwe ayi kala ka yawe for example ona yawe for example the train station na we ge yo we gere o yawe for example aga yaru wi kubederio wa we gbe hu na ma kiwo ona yawe for example the train station o wa ma ge na we for example say I can't inside the party. I go te waka, kiwa. Oh, na yagawe for example, with dog. Kisa lopo. Ya befo. Ya mi bomye ya befo. Amarene. Ima edwe na fo. Bana wabe win ya wabe duati ene. Unu ruhime ni ya hwenaru eva. Eya na mo baika bomu wetan. I mwetan. Uda ima runi ya asaru eva. Beta ba zuara ba bobo iyan kiyan na de gbiyan lewe o inwina go e bobo bia kasi ane o na meke na o ma no gele me mo morion anytime ya me nwina no bun wo bo me be nyana anytime I have a counselor in my desk the devil will be raising up their ugly head or when my daughter Kate go into the social media and minister surely whenever you have a big people to deliver, the ugly head like the devil will raise up their head to come and attack you. Don't mind them. Don't mind. Wama a ministry ni mejere mana. Inwina no kwaro mo bo. Inwina no kwaro matato bo. A temptation any kerin. Ave bazo. A temptation ni yami eve gbobugbe. Uswen na yahin. Uswe na yakiniya inawa ewu nojo ya azu oni orajo ni ade party ami mi tama uswe na yakin ave bazo tentation ave bazo mi amarene inwina ne baba mu yomo popolo kere ya kalo ekwa de gbe lo lekia ana iwa be mi resta de ni obiere ma we na ya ti na nyajinye ti ejuhe oma arene no ve la diava ko dota e lo le me no be no na mi no tie juhe e mi no tie juhe no tie yonisa no tie juhe e on guy 1 2 3 enye hana e lo wa hu ga eji ori enye e brezane lo lojo toje ni don atled yata ke ye ma ke ye di ase no ni na ye lololo e fesi bu he woni sana awulo na de ọkùnrin náà sì wá mi pẹ́ẹ̀tì náà mo ṣe dẹ́ni lọ́lọ́kẹ̀ yáwó ẹ̀yọ. Ó sì ràdé foundation ní lọ́lọ́kẹ̀ yáwó ẹ̀yọ. Ó lọ́lọ́. Ọ̀rọ̀ ọmọ òwẹ̀ náà. Ọ̀rọ̀ ó gẹ́fà wọ òwò náà ìrìnù ṣe náà. Àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ gbà ní yàrọ̀pàrọ̀pà. Tó mímọ̀ pa òrin agbọ́n náà ní Jésù. Ọ̀rọ̀ ọmọ abẹ́ ọgbẹ́ra mẹ́ òwẹ̀ nù ṣe náà. Ọlọ́rẹ́ bẹ́tẹ̀ ọlọ́rẹ́ kọ́kọ́. Lolo zuwa gbe o be no waye gbagbagba ru zuwa mo ge wa zuwa no wa de zuwa so to nyerin aga marene ki ata mi o e kiyan
sales and some leftovers
leftover no un majere ya kin leftover kere ni ade na uya ewa hin leftover no zuwa adobo wa re kiyan e leftover ni a George
your order We have a big occasion coming.
And I wear body shape audio the occasion.
And you want to dress your best so that people like Turula will not come and be looking at you and be say,
oh, come. Oh, come. Menyekana. Menyekana. Kenami manga menyekana iga igboeze. Then when I wake kenami manga ya igboe. Wadoge yo. Wadoge lolo. Wadoge yo. Ma send yo me WhatsApp. Bon get it be more. Wadoge. We play. Inya ja hoki. Inya go ya hoki. E we fit it over be okay. Okay now. I connect to WhatsApp here. Ben so here me, on dan toy. Okay. Oh wow, okay. Ben so here me, who must to play? Maybe no tie. Ene deg be law, maybe no tie. Ni wa pay. Agyo bo agyo sun, ko me gi we fu me Unge kiwe fuge. Inwini kwa weno. Eime. Mosia juwebe. Inwini kwa weno. Oh. Kaupune fupo. Nla riti fudo. Ma eta from here. Undan. Unwe susu. Yeni la ma. Wabo waeji. Okay. Okay, you always send there. Oh yeah, play both them.
Sales and some leftovers.
A leftover of my now we had to Becky Sirabo. Hey. Why you love a lucky Julian? Our shower, Alekia Duro, Nigualekia Duro, Revinia Murada.
It's coming and you want to dress your best so that people like Turula will not come and be looking at you and be say, you can have your man say, have your man say.
Elalekia, where people like Turula, Meve vignati da fon weige. Imalo alaribe mevo e doma no tansei. Mevi malo anya me danti fo abunu we lolekia. Lolekia anya me dan oti fo abunu we. Mevi malo alaribe de no tanse. Doma no tanse ne huemu no tansa wai no ga wai ginoto. Ne huemu no ga wai ginoto meve laribia. Ibia bo ma wa bele me bia mudia. When alari be moi mitare la dia ni memwe mitari me la dia alari be rien iwu no ya kwa mi eri eti ji wina alari be ya agbe ni elole ki ana ya gbon ye ke no na wina ona ya gbon ye mental health care na alari be na wina na gbon yo eye ya ko ari e wo kan kede one day today ne kwemu Tawa we no ya gbe ni we ye ba ni umebe na ya to bo magwali wina umebe na ya to bo why is the live video at here just write your telephone number share it in the post a video ni meu gberane for netic gbigidi we na de gbe yari watch ona do ya we program you write your telephone number in the paper be putting it in the post one maybe before you 5 people go call you hey mo ka we de mana ya ba vitally ne kwemu lolekia we no me na ya gwali wina I follow my husband kon oya mi wina they can na wina be ne mental health care no that when I we clean liver oya mi wina lolekia ne kwemu owe turula wo ya wa turula be kenoje emi no ya da me ni lole he go forget the kind husband wey marry put for us he go dey tease another person. Your husband where he make frat where he be say if he stand all his body dey his chest Your husband will be say if he start, will not they feed the bucket belly from chest. Your body na chest, they go come do like this. Oh, yeah, woman. Now let me you just give her your present me where it is finished. Oh. Alaribe go your reasonable woman. If he malu Alaribe stand, all your body from head to toe na chest today. If not be the eyeglass where they wear, we for not even know say na human being stand. Very dwarf, very short. Imalu Alaribe is the shortest man. Is the shortest. This one not be saying a camera they take the do. This one not be saying a camera. Egbe na plus na yeve tan se Imalu Alaribe. Just imagine. Lolo not the looky body before they come mock person. If person start to the mock on, I go they say, Kate, you insulted that. When they insult my own, no go anagbeluwa. When they insult my own for my wedding day, he not just insult me. He just they purposely na my husband. Imalu Alaribe. Ogun anagbeluwa ogbe Imalu Alaribe for marrying a useless woman like this. For marrying a useless. How can Lolo open in live video? They call me 2 inches. Me and Imalu Alaribe, Mona the right and who top pass. Mona, as a woman, put my breast, join my height. As a woman, add my breast, join my height. Make una help me calculate who top pass. Make the cut Alaribe head into 2. Can't use that do it breast. Me una use that one return. Say the carry Alaribe head. Iyana doga yeva ya we breast no mu. In as much as Lolo one breast, it be like Alaribe one head though. But nevertheless, we cannot rate Lolo one breast as one human being head because Lolo breast na disease to run. Or if they make her get heart problem now because the breast they draw and always go front. Now that one be the number 2 sickness where Lolo they sick. In lungs infection. When you take the coffee, Lolo agagbo when the live video Jehovah Jireh. When they watch Lolo. My pikin near me, somebody said, oh, he said, Mama, who is that? I said, it is a somebody, oh, and they watch Lolo live video at their kitchen, they watch plate, and they watch the live video, Lolo do, bro, oh, Mama, who is that? And now it is a somebody, oh, because when I go to over here, Nigeria, no. Oh, well, who is the somebody? The somebody is sick, oh, in a live video, now, me, I go to oh, well, now, it is a black, you know, we know it is a somebody. It is a somebody Obine. A lot of when we live video, your children must turn and look. Where the noise will come, the thickness, the bone. Omayatri said the TB in the bone, on tuberculosis in the bone. Where Lolo get it, not go treat them. The infection, lungs infection, where Lolo get it, not go treat them. Ogbomaya se nore depo, ogbebo ya no we se here. Nese anagbe bagmo ni va bo wi va bota anaru baru erelelde and now it is a somebody o agbo won ki gbo o mala o ki gba o kere ki bo ki otan memu o ka gbo ki ave follow arewe organic o ma ede tiyan tie o mala o that is our Lolo we banla because of more many. Ni va bota va bo we anaru paru here lele Lolo. E lole kia novie e bello. Anupama. Ona we meturula. Me va Alaribe. Ana we na mu Alaribe na ga yeva ya we mu Alaribe ada de ye tan so monore 10 years ya ame iwana do vie mu me ve va do adi ba hu me every mi ada egbe ni o tan eti me hian se 2 meter enwe no me nenwe o me fo na nwo ana koka do ba hu me eti me hian se 2 meter e lolo na ji me beni ye na me turula in short 1.1 rula wa ma be say 1.5 or ma be say 1.5 rula 1.1 because any agare 1 on myself almost to the point of bye 1.1 rula we Lolo marry put for us Imalu Alaribe we not reach 2 rula Imalu Alaribe we be 1.1 rula your wife has the guts and the nurse to come on live video and say, "Mu, ada peke, adugo, adeze, omalicha one, ego beke, ego ibo, ego marama, kesi butaba wayo, ni ekori lo de man. Ogbon gbo alolo. Iwa bo gbo iwa bo mo alolo. Lolo ra o mebe ni tie bo no agbise yo. Then you wate no wate ise keto ose nu ese na iwe lolo. Abie you wa no bie belo no zo bozo webe kwe dorara e pesnieti. Ori malo alaribe iwo gun valo we ya da. Iwo vianu gale manwe yen ni jo mo isa mele lenu e. Inowe. Ose nu ese na iwe. Ose nu ese na iwe. Esa ginkere no la me gbere wusan igawe ni yati e bonu huwawu ni e ko kase wi ai mo don ni because o imeke no se imwe degbo imwe gbo ikama wewe ivyo we vanena ne vyo ayu sene imwe gbo ama iwe ra me no kwa iwa yirodo emi ma sunu da o wa ye hiyan imwe gbo imwe degbo ni kai wa yo hu ga ni die tun wo hu ni ovianu ga ivalo we abie yu wa belo vianu ga ivalo we yen ni yo mo o sa menu e won ba e ugbe o wagbon do ti meneketi ma ti egbe me ye bo iyen oro me ori gyo wa me ore lolo o bi e belo abie yu wa e mesi abie wa ore no we ore no wa ore no buta he una do wa do ti meturula maka why you not the fear the born you were ana are we no hello
Esther mama
good evening
we don't like it when you worry about it salobo adeba when you worry about it no na se we turu la keni we mo dia ile la mo dia rio
wa no eme o wa no e
dia yo ni kame ye no we to gbe
owi yen wa
ya to gbe baba
owi yen
so to gbe
owi yen wa
emi no ye we go agboma kana go we gbe na
owi yen wa
emi no we marriage we nu ga ka mo marriage ra phone na fo egbe o me ka mo marriage na o ni eri wo e sa lo bu anoju wa wo hin afie elele asane hin agbe
igbe owi yen wa
debe wa fi wa me ye lele ko ba
owi yen wa o owi yen wa igbe
Oga Sando igyo ugwa mana story of no na go we bu ani all here warrior no you don't know Patrick Akere
okay
Precious Smith no ga we elele ezima ojo awu yala we
ezima meta mi ya be manada jerio in ate we me bata
mato we no wa na ni mana o na dokpe elele wa ho me mi ame we
kaka pije me now because people know they too understand me I too they talk in laughing matter lolo they sick and she get one matter do if lolo bed she get gastro problem a lolo ga bed everywhere go they smell ibele get one problem. There is gastro problem. Or a bed, you got weird. Also, an energy party. Also, this is oh, na ye baba una me winaju. Oh, the provision no romudiayi. Oh, baba ne rien be 5 minutes. No na way.
Party. When we large party, that's on the party. Unwe we are na unwe ame na gbe ra no le ra ya gbe ame na gbe we get wa total ke lo ore party obado ona mo emi na video we epe ma gbe total ba wo ma no video
gbelega do afero bonu ewuri out we wa gele han my sister o
Patrick ya si nwa Patrick Orawe Patrick akoli wa ekwe lolo ewe lolo we gbe live video Patrick Ahere oti
la ya we Patrick Ahere ga o we
precious meg why
e ka no biere na we nu do teme ni agbegbe ni we gbekere e da no biere no ti wa ka we ya we o biere na ma si live en so mo
mama tamu we na lolo ga we gbebu we mi alaje do awo bi yin mi mi awa awo bi yin
no na ma no na me no be gbin na nu na sister
no no we egi lolo no je pasi opa gbe ni aga no to tare na
ona wet ija we mani di we tell ya
na lolo iwa o piero wa era brother de nya ya lu o me Nigeria
very poor background. Very poor background. Eriya jenaya ga se we boyen do atinyo botinyo we mu. Plantations.
Mama, what an increase. We don't just singlet or key, you to
Ezima gbewa.
Monica, you were Monica, Monica France, but Monica married with me because you made 18 years, but you don't really know whether or not Monica must Monica with me.
I'm telling you. Say when you go no if you need me go ya make you go and me audio ma go ni yagbe but matter the tie bo meden ya we got live video. Emi go wa be si on if you no nije. Ore lolo me jo lo si won come pass me so. He won come pass me so. E ma say me je your egbe. Ya o ya gbe lolo gbe. Won ere ni wa ya gbe Monica na wa be gbe yen. Ere na re lolo no me kin ave do ari. I mari lolo bag yen be ni. They are too na disen ga ata be ni. Ere na ya e to ni be ma o. What say je? Patrick Ahere wa gbon eba ma gbon eba ru de otien bo yan wa gbe agbodin agbegbe e tin yan pa ma bete obi ere ma si awetu ma de so ni e ba otien precious no koje awetu ma de so ni e ba otien precious no na wa ere neutral person agele wa like wa ma understand awa like hi wa gume be no re na na do mia e o baba iwi gbegbe we na ilolo ya mi obo mi re ya gbo egbe ere ni lolo na awo re ona ga ye gbe yawe kon dey use all body say dey do one kon dey la kaka yeah na so he has my head big go he neck come elige when you see say me kon dey react he kon dey do live video he kon turn to presenter overnight. Some people are not medically okay. Some people are not medically okay. They are every mad. They are crazy when they are shouting ogun ogbo. Then we're not evene. We're very evene. Gidigbo. We are here to advance the battlefield. Who do attack where your knife is not sharp enough? Worry if you like say it's a mental health topic. If you like say is a running a madding topic. If you like say na evil ratan ket is crazy. Any ya on my finger yente re no honi no ga me no ritali. O we yente si kanto. The yente si kanto. Oni mami wait enenege oyeki or something. O man kan me. So far we ti men everything. Be ready. Be ready to dance to the tune of Okutuku. Be ready to dance to the tune of Osugut get there. Osugut get there. We wagbeye molokun ni mi ara benuwe. Agbejo ya igbuene idoje molokun janu e wa ri eri mina. Gba iriyo no de ye buze the live video ri ken gbose. Osugu gede agbejo sugu gede ya izegbu elolo ya izegbu ya ini owe tan ya igbo ne doje molokun nu e wasan menano yes meno ijanu e ya te lolo butaba Butaba Ranu walala, Ranu nuriema, Ranu wayorogatie. I band, I lose, I cast, I destroy, I demolish, I destroy, I cast. Udome babo da tovegani. Psalm 91, Psalm 92, Psalm 93, Psalm 94. Medwade. Osurugade. Amen. Why is that na are your 40 if you were big of a maru? Some 91, 92, 93, 94. He got them my bay weather. You made the world the way Jesus' name. I have learned. Amen. Mario. Area USA. Where? Then now we're babbling. Babbling me a young boy. A babbon were more bonny. Yea, me away. Ya lever, so I more walking baker. Ya boo. Well, do who bonnet. Urorie. Tell me not a barbariati. Oguno, boo, well, we press up before ne. Ni wagi or hunka kawano. Ni no figmo, Johnny Fie Kitane, ni wo yabo lolo oike. Oguno, boo, well, we press up before ne. Ni wa no figmo neke kawano, ni Fie Kitane, iwo yabo lolo. Ori wa kevedagmo, ogun do gbo lolo. Ogun do gbo lolo. Abie you one of your below. When at meturula. Iwe ni ve aboziri ni ya gbalowe. Una wetu ara unya. Urorie udowu. Benu wena we memin we mwetinya. We ruge ni meruge. Na re nek be aka we. Ogun do gbo e. Uwe tu advert ona kewe ye yati ebo. Na ye gwa ye gwegya ye fiya. Tani ya un.
You have a big occasion coming.
Esther Dokpa you where do we are show.
So that people like Turula will not come and be.
People like Turula will not come and be telling you Ekenami Oma Shagi Oma say and they only way do ya preach my now. Or we Kenami Oma Shagi Legioma 7 Keti Kae. Why give you do give what there
Come in and you want to dress your best so that people like Turula will not come and be looking at you and say Ekenami Oma say I'm your say. Kenami Oma say your best. In everything we still need to learn small.
He say in everything we still need to learn small. In as much say case still they beat you now. In as much say case still they tell you now, but now true she they talk no na still they learn small only nozu ona tamu wana. That Oma get water for.
Because whether we like it or not, we have them sometimes in every occasion. You find them there, but the only thing
he say whether una like her or not, whether una verse with Keto, una not verse with Keto, whether una quarrel with Keto, whether una not quarrel with Keto. Now the true Keto talk. Okay, wa mwe gbese. Okay, always you know it na adane lolekia na ile do mi ona kwewe. Keto adobale for you. Wetin you talk na true. E imota lolekia ta. Owe mi ne keti time atagele no awe na gbode na time ataketi matore iloleki ata iloleki anu wagminana wabele wa president nia wabega manu wagminana nia awe benu wagi o wasoso a president owa awe na gbode na time ataketi wa mai mata no tu mato ni baya ati kin ni kin na wagminane aba pa bobo hello aba no o come mama
Amen.
Il est la vidéo. Ok. Et marriage, marriage, c'est 2 weeks in Enya. Et marry mama. Et Maria. Egane lalo na ati ebo ne ye bunwe we ti e ka me wo ma fit show re a iye ti e ba ni wa na back awa ta lo me o ma no gbo ma be koko ya kian gbo me ta la je we ya gbo o ya be gbo ya be si we ori me ya gbe me gbo awe ri e bo ya gbe mi o ma ora ri o se ya ti ati ko o ma wayata me ne lolo na do ti meturu la be video re we like ya ne lolo na ti meturu la be video re we like We ma bere vini, we ma wa be Nigeria not here. Ba gbigi abo yoga gbo iwo. Ba gbigi abo yoga gbo iwo. Benu ture le lo. Benu ture. We ma ku ni be Nigeria igwe me na wa. Benu ture eri le lo ene ma bere ba. Ba gbigi abo yoga gbo iwo. Ba gbigi abo yoga gbo iwo. Benu ture le lo. Benu ture le lo. Igwe wa so na wa igwe me na wa. Ba gbigi ayo wa ma gberi gwe. E koko ma fo ve do e ba me ya titi ve webo e ve la wo egume lo awi o eni na ku ne ri gwe o titi ve ti wa we ni ke ku e ba gbigi abo wa ma ku e ri gwe e yoga gbo iwo lenu ture lo lenu lola ture le lenu lola ture le ene vere va era me no kwa ma ku me la wa ve ni na ku ni ve ni awi ku no ukidna no awo mi me ku bela wa ona ma wo bela wa Hija, emi okpa ni ere ma. Oye, inwana. Emma, oteri eni bete oye inwana ya mu omoku. Iswe aswe o. O mana tesu bete inwana ya kuwo inwana ya mu omoku. Emma, eni okpa ya ga gbi maba. Ba gbo iwo noro. Benu ture le loe ima wa kue awa ya ezebube hu awa kue gbome lolo wi ku omomo yen ri be do aku be social media ave kue lele ere no be ya kue macho ma ya be macho ku gbe aderi ono eri ono ave ni kukune wa ode boga wa ode oyihu wa ode zenofo ave ne ni ma wa ye locability ni agun ya kurun dan ya gwa ku yan zebube ihu Eva ve lolo no iwa mo egbe for no do to tati e. Plantations. Iye, e binds the home, binds. La wa tren wari domando zikere you know. Ewe brekere you know, my plantations. E plantations ba no do ate. Bekere. Egbe ma veri o maleleku. Eva no wa to ta do ate. Erina do valore de yere, erina do sowoya, erina do valinyaya, ena do valinyaya he, mana do arokogbo, mana do awere na, na gweniku, eni awakun ebu benye wakun ya desu nwa mi ame ya beto, ave ni gwa atunyo botin e maleleku, you know everything now. Una know they play that year, if children come from Benin, for holiday period, ya go ya to baba no hwa, ya to je no hwa. All that city people, they come from city. Ave voyani wa very go na kawa velele ku we go there ni. All of them are dash. Wa baba o. Ijo. Egberame. So wima. Irio wa vi Jesu abonika dore. Heo. Iye kati igami ewe bi yoko wimana do kolo hun ya agbo epai iri o wagari soke ni ke dore so wima osewe hun iyo osewe leleku ede igbori galo osati gari eze I know the way to the river o osati gari eze ya ma wodeze you know say you not sabi swim o mana rigwe mama we na swim here mara mi agbon are ri odeze agbon are ariwa ya agbo o Agbamare Ariowa eleli mari eze Agbamare bi ate la soken gumele luwa wa leli ma wa gume mu galomi arezo ya me galomi o ya mu galogo sati bae Agbamare woni lele mi ari eze a awe mu galomi du kokume bae du kokime be mo no kadore Agbamare do yu mo o selele ejerikan ya fefe Agbamare do ri koki Ori mo o seye galo sati o seye galo Agbamare do gbe galo ya yekun adori po be ki Agbamare ko da wa lele yan e tu wa lele mani kedore mo bo wa lele mani kedore mo bo o mo gbe no ya se ejerikan yekun e lo lo yan lele me mo bo o lo lo ga mo bo o se ejerikan yekun ra pe lele What is na your egbe o eki asin no what is na your egbe o eki alilio na jai no what is na your egbe o eki asin no what is na your egbe o ike bote you o what is na your egbe o e body slim anu wa do here no ara beje kan lele lolo ija e na wa ke kuku ni bi gwe a bo ge ke ti ana luga e na wa ila me o wa ila me wa ga ko e yan ni gwa ku wo Ni gwa kuwa wa gya kwe hiyan. Lolo agbolo koshi. Ori okwe wagun. Awe na wa azo look bebo. Na wa azo look bebo na wa owe na me wa gbera vane. Lolo na do wiyan do jime ya sunwa. Ogun ogwe last ka check up. Omo no wa rigwe. Wa do ya you are stupid and crazy last ka check up. Ama ebio.
Want to dress your best so that people like Turula will not come and be looking at you and say,
very ugly you might be.
We still need to learn small.
Why the message go me? Why are you as one? I know the list, you
know, send it up. It's not waste your best. If you believe it's not good enough, if you believe you are fantastic, it's okay. But just to avoid those kind of dwarfs talking to you.
Can you imagine? Is there Alaribe na dwarf?
Body shaper.
Alaribe, Malu Alaribe, your wife they call you dwarf. I'm ashamed of both of you. How can your wife come out in the public and be disgracing you?
You know, send it up.
God forbid.
It's not waist trainer. This is not waist trainer.
Apia.
That people will tie.
Apia.
You know how they look like when they tie waist trainer? This part of their body.
They'll come be like Alaribe.
Do you know
if they tie waist trainer? Meaning say Lolo, they buy waist trainer for Alaribe.
Their buttocks.
Oh, Lolo.
To their shoulder. I don't know if you guys have noticed it. Waist trainer
now
send
you
your
know.
fat to your shoulder. Their shoulder will now go like this.
Or when their shoulder will come
all over their armpits.
Okay, now I getting it. Now I getting it. Una no say Imalu Alaribe get waist problem. If they seek waist problem, wait till they do cleaning job for that health care center. So Lolo come the thing say waist trainer. It go help her because na sport something, they support waist. Lolo come they give Imalu Alaribe waist trainer make they wear till they support the body, they go work. Now that waist trainer come build Imalu Alaribe chest oh Lolo can book me amaje yo bo. Oh bewa la la ogorakwe. Lolo na ya de waist trainer no ya support Alaribe. Also no ni marry ye we Alaribe chest e big pass this my own. Upon say I get breast or ye. E big pass on me ye we o ye de gaje we bu so to eso hu. Jesus. Oh. Let's go there. Now your own come good. Everybody where they say waist trainer. Ordinary man.
Every occasion. It is not waist trainer.
Apia.
That people will tie. You know how they look like when they tie waist trainer. This part of their body, the waist trainer. Do you know the funniest thing about it? It doesn't send their fat to their buttocks, but it sends their fat
to their chest, shoulder. Like Alaribe.
I don't know if you guys have noticed.
We notice Alaribe. Oh, why not? We know. With the
shoulder.
We not even notice. We saw it. We saw in it.
Like this.
It go make
their breast will now be flopping.
Their shoulder go flopping.
Out.
Oh.
That's what waist trainer do. And you are supposed to train those muscles up here. But many of them don't train.
As Alaribe OB.
And the whole thing remains.
Thank you for discovering this body shape.
That is not what you wear under.
May first shape your husband out before we obey.
No, this is hello Esther, how you doing? This is body shaper. You see how it is?
We does
very small.
A western I give a man now. Now this one
good. Size small of this.
If I go and a lot of see you one of one can
that belly in.
Or what soccer in
is going to send back to your buttocks.
Or what is soccer in your send here. Can you imagine the way she is using a mat to do surgery in your body? If this kind body shaper body no high. If you come to through where I can't suck your body, can't transfer your body, go your nyash, you are gonna. You are a dead gonna. She still says she's a bit do advert that is very bad. How can something will suck all your body and send it to down? What? Where is the remote control that you will press and say, send to my nyash? Where the remote control day for this thing where she they say? Because I believe in everything, there must be a remote control that you will use to control that sending. Or enter. After the thing don't suck all your body, where is the remote control that you will press and say, oh yeah, send it to my nyash? If not be like lolekia, or mami ni obe ekin ubakoto. If I no no see you where do it. If I na motieni, or yagale lolekia, ubagba no riagbonse. He wants me all of una can't buy this body shaper finish. Imagine you wear something away from Toto, follow all your body can't reach here. Ura iji questa ahiyo huawe. Ah, you go can't pull that kind in peace. Ekinona si ahiyo you wa you wagbe. Lord want me all of una de PC for body for people party. He said make una can't buy body shaper where he pass inside Toto. When you go follow all your Toto call like this, you not go feel peace. Easily. Imagine you come wear this kind of way Lolekia they show you. If peace can't hold you for inside party, before you run reach toilet, I dare your fele when Ogun ragbe lolo 1, Ogun ragbe lolo 2, Ogun ragba bia you wa bia belo 3, Ogun ragbe again or bia your few money 4. Imagine, how can she tell you people to come and buy this type of thing? How can? If peace they worry una for the party, how una go take quickly remove the thing? And you know, not be stomach bet better pass. That stomach bet now. If you wear that bet, you go your follow here. If you want peace, it not go affect your down. You go easily pull your pants. Peace. Or therefore, lolo now. What when why you whether hold dead the middle, if hold dead the middle, you can't say you know what pull and you can't sit down for toilet like this. Peace must enter your body. Peace must enter your body. Whether you want to use one hand, pack and go corner, peace must enter your body. There is nothing like you put the thing down. You shift the other one up. You go sit down. Well, peace. What? Elalo one are your fellow wahia requester. Una follow about this thing. Wa de mi fa na motin thank God for video camera. Iya wa de munu wa no bu gbe vederio. Wa na doje ni esta ya gola de mi a wa here because of here message wa gbe wo here. Wa mu do bole lesta do baji. O here hin aji jare re we bo in Jesus name. O ve ji jare ari o wa in Jesus name. Igo no do kwa we bo mi ogba nya neve ni Jesu. O mi ogba nya neve ni Jesu again. I reject every Lolekia spirit. I reject every Ubakoto spirit. I reject every Ahioyowa spirit. I reject every Onisane para spirit. I reject every spirit. I reject every talkie that we attach to that day in Jesus' name. May I pray. Amen. Ya awa wabehia. Ahwa yo wa wene saka hwe ya igbere. Ahwa ve kwari gbakoto no ma momo ya ri owe bia. Ahwa wa behi aka ya hwa hwe ya igbere aka ade we bona. O deni lolo mu di aji ya ede ma. O wa ve hin mi na ya tie ki aju ene babana. E lolo ri ya gbe wo hun mo. Okulo it is a kulo somebody. It is a kulo human being. Ijere continental owowo. A lolo is a continental owowo. Ashawo plus ekiane giegi. A lolo is a spoil human being. Ah, owave ti ano.
And you have this little pack here to carry your buttocks.
Your toilet
your fat up like that.
Okay, it's okay.
Send it to your buttocks.
Oh, I send the audio social media.
Waist trainer is not for occasion.
Now waist trainer fed the rain all this while. Now waist trainer give you all. Then why when we manipulate concert the social media. On why your big never why wear
to go to occasion to wear that beautiful dress.
Well, why your my baby not see father a disgrace your bene. Uto aga your boy bele social media. Eri no see fana mo tien orun awe. Wa aga your boy via la social media lo lekia.
Transparent into your clothing. All those belts.
A belt in a carry bani give you
inside the belt. No, you don't need it.
Online ya need it. No ya si ahi ogie yagbe. Wa bua. Iva bota va bo we or we ren paru we ren.
Okay, for organic nation you need to chop.
Ono na important on ale amela social media. O we never ya work is unu ati la lo se ve bu me le gbe lolo. Abi e do ri awe so na baba o no go to no da for me do wa me wo. Otania Iva bola egbe ni a. Iva bola egbe ni a o. Iva bola egbe for de.
Please go and walk.
Iva bola egbe no la egbe ni ma kesu.
For organic nation money to chop. They Chris go and walk.
Wa go ma no gbe no ma ya walk. Dede no so enwi ni wa bo no joyi. Inwi ni wa bo no so na dede no so en. Iya je spinazi ya we lolo mi. E spinazi ya we. O si ya ho e o ma no mo wa ke chesi. Spinazi u echesi ya we lolo spinazi ma ye gie bravo here. Iva bet spinazi wa ye la lolo egbe kian. Ebe fanorwa lolo bun me, fanorwa na lo bun better. Iva bet spinazi wa ye la lolo egbe kian ya run ese UK. Lole ki ame we spinazi na wu we be ban. Spinazi ya we echesi ya ho we. Spinazi ma gi oban. Hi o ko menu wa. Ege no na wa biare Nigeria. Baba. Ni water live ba ti ere doi. Water live. Wetin that they call water live o eyan wa ya we lolo we water live ate we spinazi bebo. Water live. O me no we wan vi go here water live. Now water live that they fuck lolo that time for Nigeria. Ose en spinazi mana ge ban. Iyan ate kegbe. Ose no mana ge ban. Iva be spinazi wa ye like. Be spinazi ra e na for no na we go and walk. Iyan ire ta mama we go and walk. Hiyo salopu ame okome.
Looking for organic nation money to chop. They Chris go and walk.
Oh we no ya walk. Then they no came with nano na we no ma ya walk ebo mere. Hello.
Ebo dondon.
No na ma wa la classy. Ebo dondon. No ama. Oh what a lame there. Ebo iba bota va be bodon ebo don ya wa ya mo ebo be lolo in Nigeria. Ebo dogero sak mama no ya kolo bo hugbo. Ebo dogero sak mama ni lolo ya do kolo. Oni na won me bodon he ya o e o. Ebo dondon he ya o e bekun o abi e you wan no be ebelo. Ona we ero sak mama la hodo serio ero sak mama ko iragbon. Ero sak mama ri la hugbo. Orire ebo dodero. Avance ma abi o kan pana we ma mi e abi e you wa aru legbera ma. Abi e you wa we mo gbe ari huhu won e rutu won ye gedegbe. Unwa ye gedegbe no ya gbe ju won ya gba lo emu nyahun. Oru le kian nya yi wa ge bondo kara le lo wu. Ere ni egbe to ye we na ri pi hu. Ete lo le kian ma no we na ri pi hu. E bondo to yi we hu. We magbe bodo we magbari we to e bodo ya von na wo ma venu magbe na ma mi ekwe iva bota va bo we bondo don ya he ya o we ke nu ria so ke ya hu lolo na wa kia you dey mad what you dey talk e dey madan no na wa zege camera vi je we baba wa do seri me bo ero sa mama mo e bo gbin wa do ona ti e huaro lolo nati e huaro onati e huaro ero sa mama na we ahia iva be do bodo do nu zeji yegbe bi awo wo hin ga zeju egbe ahia bo eru no ona we come up for here ero sa mama wu be sun enenu come up for here oni na wo ma lolo ma wa so wa no wa ti era vi je we baba o je ero sa mama ye bodo mo e bo gbin o ma geta ona huye yu we ko be no huye ne ye ko na ona huye yu we ko o mata ori se do ori se ko ogwo ma de anojo won me bodun o wa le la le bodun no fian o bi ano wa be ri ohu no ya gu ogwo ma da no wa be ri oni opin e ba ni ba boke la egbe e ba ni ba be bodun ke wa la lo gbe wa ni bi yo ba de bodun e lo wa be la le bodun ne o ma no wo gwo ma di alelere ko na wa be ho ne kigbo kana do mu eyo o me won me bodun wa ye ro wi hin o me ye ya po bu won me bodun o ni na re rezobledi ona ya vanu kikio ere lolo ya ro ona o rebo fo ri o ya la webu Erio ya lewe bo do no ya domia. Unwa me bodo na ye mieta ye ya hu ebe kudo se de ne na. Den na you want me bodo ya te bo ni le lolo se. Espinazi ma ye di obavo we ma ge bava. Espinazi ma ge obavo ta ogun ana gbe lolo. Ora ma be no ko di re ko e. Owo na bodo don do your own. Espinazi do your own. Ogbera re tari we you won mogi. Ra tari we ba won mo he. Igiri o be ri to ye ri o. O je ri o wa mi ga de veri shaki here ju we agbon wa fo ene fo bunu. Ega je mistake ri esuku bian de ba shaki ju we ene wa fo bunu lolo. We ga wa na lolo ta we lolo bo sia ya o we e secret ya to e. O wi e koma agbele ni kigbo. Ina te garere no do to me bebejon. Ina te garere no gade. Ina le bo don voto vuhun. No gade corona magelo lo mi o de ya fekenije. Ite onu ye mi no sie fagbo ayin we o give egbe. Iye wo ga wa la lo be bo don ni ale ko ene. Ene ya wa fo. Imi mi record o mare. O mare ni va bota va bo wi e o gbe lo va gbon. O mare. E lolo wa be mi bodon wa bi asa lo e be de no be mi I o boya ji wini va bo no be jona lari beberi e ji kere. Come today not come tomorrow. Come today you feel connected weekly. O wa be mi boya se va ene na fo wonu lolo wa ga da me yo. O we no wa be ya wina.
The crazy go and walk.
Go and walk when not that's when we na be we no ma go and walk. Tell you.
And they have told me that some people are looking for Organic Nation money to chop. They crazy go and walk.
He come. Oh, come. That no person anyone when I tell mama be no ya walking.
If Organic Nation you want to follow you the competition to fear kwa. Organic Nation I've never said you people not go anywhere. If you not go anywhere.
My baby no mugwae. Away if you not go anywhere. Away Organic Nation. If you not go anywhere, then I go yesu kiga igwa. Uwaya fuen. Ave ne organic. Fuen. Onisane ya giwase no da iwe ni ya hin o like be na igun ya giwase. Onisane ya ne kwa ya giwase. Fuen. E lolo no ma so pa seva. E lolo ne lole ki abono mo ki anemugo. O ri le tamu wa na daze wo buwa we Organic Nation if you not go anywhere. If I hear and say you not go anywhere. Eu, o jama so mi ata pada ata webo ave ma ya no se no go ma gba ke no ma se run de camera na mu dagbe eya isun era oda o wa we no shata mu wa we si da here be no sha o sha e ma jo da we church eu o ja e lolo ne bi o ma gbon e lolo ne we e lolo no ne wu merije na ba bobo lolo na wa be dirijo e o na sijo sire o ri be polu ware ihu oba rororo no bi averi ejo wazo ba mi ihu oba rororo no be bi omo ye ko for 9 months una bi ona munyagbe we lolo ri be ka ma we fa si say una go anywhere o fun enu wa ga we ni wa do adavanyo do no ri wa yo wa agbe ogbu wa amu wa anybody no hero to tell lolo me as long that lolo is leading you me I'm leading lolo equals to I am leading all of you as so awu we kweni lolo luwe anti melu lolo iye lo ede meaning that you are my grandchildren o hell iye jori mewa hin omo ni me bie lolo hin ya lu ya igbeneri e lawa eri omo danger ura bi omo don ka gbokeri lawa mo bi e lolo iga igbe eniyan iri lawa to ogun me o ma gun mere lawa iya polorie wa niyan bi eniyan ti Organic Nation you are my grandchildren you are my grandchildren I will only chastise those that I will chastise I will leave those I want to leave so long that you are answering sa to lolo you are my grandchild you so kunu my breast because lolo have sokunu it that is why I'm beating it lolo so for that reason you are sokunu lolo all of you have sokunu my own you are my grandchildren attendez owe if I hear so na go o ko me wa rere lolo ko
Organic Nation money to chop
ko me nu wa
crazy go and walk
silima santin silima na jigore
And they have told me that some people
need
to chop. Please go and walk. Go and walk. Organic Nation, you know they see view as Organic Nation, you want to follow you. Organic Nation, I've never said you people don't go anywhere. If you not go anywhere.
Say if you not go anywhere.
I don't mind no more.
You can't move what to do. On an pay with you.
I can't do competition, make them bet hungry. No be lawyer money again, na competition. Oh the hell. If you believe that Lola is lying, put the F that rubbish on the media, let all of us see it. Put it, let us see it.
On se va se rapui, that go away. Oh, where? Monica, we are going away. Oh, where are here? Only guy don't reply where we don't mind, we don't reply to nonsense. Then when I can go on iguane. What I can go on, why you're running a topic? Why you're running a topic? Don't reply to some nonsense, don't reply to some idiot, why you have a topic? What's that? No, why are you topic? Only the hedge, Benia, or do I tell Walla, remember photo? I got reply, but now don't mind them. They are looking for attention. They are this, that, what else, what I got reply, why are you topic? But taking the opportunity in one. A lot on a power see me. Or what's Yanni? Who do a memory Bavelina? I would do a Meladiana. Maybe a canny we are now we beg we are your power we waiting here. Yeah.
Sweet.
More sweet now. Then no worry, Shak, you're to wake your senior Walalo. Yeah, you're to wake your senior very rare your Waro. Can sweet. Here I cannot defy no wake your sick and sweet.
They're looking for Organic Nation.
Keroite, Inaga, who very ina we hock and anything. Make your sick and sweet, or matana will have fun.
Money to chop. Why not give them all?
It can sweet. Or why imagine not a year okay, phone a year coin. Can sweet. Inaga year okay, phone. Ikiosi, or mat HSC. On a gata, you worry, in a hobota, you worry, Ikiosi, can sweet.
Organic Nation.
Why are the gap in all your demo? It can sweet. It can sweet. That gap. Any one just spend your name now. That gap you enter.
You can sweet. They're looking for Organic Nation money to chop. Why not give them all?
You can sweet. Any other waro already. A lolo kulog be wohomo. I know I am a boy. Where sorry. If you saw my egg be kind be lolo. Oh man, I said me so. Osalobo mi no see e o wa kwene ra wa bio era visual ale bio bi ale lo e because a lolo any adobo we no te lolo oyiri oyu popo ya ma kiyan oyi ma obeti eni bia oya whoever dani no ga we no dori e tin e Osalobo wa ga leri ona wa ko wa we no ho na wa bi e hwiho yen that it ale me lolo emi no ma le sunu we so de agomoro yen ti ve doru de lolo ve do destroy apapava junction. Iati ve doru dabia you have do destroy baba junction. Ima onemi no sunu be Sodom and Gomorrah. No ve do sunu baba junction. Also lobo na we nije wa bi hwihu. Ru dai lolo. Ora iwa jenene rula no mobota. Oweru wala 2 inches. Olona 3 inches. Ne erule rulari e pent of your mobo. Wa ga dag me lolo nu wa ge mi no tala dia wonu. Is it that rula na ya me kia? Oh, or you bakoto. Oh, yes, with me. And then no time to put no the social media. Aqua Waveladian, area Bruce 2 inches, area 3 inches, area no di all the noba no rula. Unwi me navete me miame inches hiane. Unwe lolo 9 inches yanuda. Lolo rula juwe abagi vogadamio biao. I questa no de I biawaria hio. Wale bossy no why are you at the next show? It was so yo to. Well, me measurement. And lolo I want my exercise book even on your university. Baba. Oh, woman, not see come out and wait, bomb of here. Webe mi me wa be vie kia bi biani ya ve de nederio. E lolo awa mo exercise book no wa. O wa re rula ye po. We wa ho tie 3.4 inch, 5.6 inch, 741 inch ogun ga gbe lolo pe inch si oro marifo. O kwe inch si oro marifo be gbe lolo. 141 inch, 222 inch, 3.44 inch, 5 inch, 8 inch. Eya wa versus booking. Waga requesta wala ho ahiyo awa wala bossi bo dawi bae ho ni me bere rien we boss stop river wala o jeje bari bia no rien do se we se una ya mwe ho we kele boss stop na wari bae we se eni na gbon fu we gbere mi o si baba una wa ti ya mwe ho me we calculate ye to ne go ma dan ve di ba wala bossi o hon wa mari ye ken wari so ma wa ye ken wa we de wala bossi wa piebe o wa say the first stop wa ya wa haralaja wa vie kada po wa ye lolo hallelujah wa swa e la dia wo we bossi ihe ile ya gwa le bossi na agme for men here. This boss is for men. This boss is for men. This boss is for men. Na gbon yo ta we nu de lolo e ti si no mu lele gbe vederi o ha de tan gbe. Ah, why you this bus is for men. You want to piece one bus stop. You want to piece one bus stop. You want to piece one bus stop. Ah, wag me yeva. Or you wanna why you anywhere, no problem. Why you anywhere, no problem. You want to piece one bus stop. You want to piece one bus stop. Why you allow? A lot of allow was why ladia. Was why ladia. Ija. Oh, come. Oh, come nuwa. I no go. I didn't analyze it. Okay. I didn't analyze it. Okay. Oh, what say her video? Oh, what say her video? Ni ado ya be. I mo contre de na be made me do be na do we be. You want to piece one bus for room de lolo. E lolo we ya mweru la yo to. Ni ya 9 inches. Nyomi ni amini. Exercise book in lolo ade. Oh, wagare bossy run wamu. Wawari one bodyguard ye no such a be avi hoya. Awe exercise book, drop it in this place. A ruler, drop it in that place. A barrel, drop it. Any rock barrel, nagman everywhere. Or phone me, yana, mara, dead yo. A lol, lekia. Oh, my yo, bolo, lori, jawe, ya, loloy. Oraya. Ye, I'm not turning. Oh, yeah. Nene kiaga ayo piriri. E lolo ira ya mo ga ya lalo e buria. Oi bawe. Oh bole ya like be usaka mo yeah. Oh bole ya like be. Oh bole ya like be. Ene lolo eta so ta. Aze ko gwa kwere o ma ho nye ho. Eina we ni be davan. Because it is used to us. We African when we are talking with chat. It is used to Africa people when we are talking with shots. Normally, it's not that we are not. It's because Lolo is deaf and dumb. Eyi manako tano na shati. No raon onye ho ewe no lo mare no. Wa we was ewe sa wo come. Wa ewe ha ole ere Lolo hin. Oma. Ni do aria awene do analyze for un David o say ni. O wa se nema iyeti mo hian yeti mo hian amare ne gbon wi ifagbo agbakoto layin gbe ne ona vere ma
report it, everything is reporting for you guys.
am I return anyway ewe atare dowe oma igu wa ya lovi e wa ya relax wa re soro no momo wa re soro no ma ire live out enia ati wa ye do pate mo o wo gbin 62 Vaitavo. Omani suwa ege. Ati ye dokpa wate hia. Emoe. O no ati tavo. Ya te wabun. Ya weni do na ya agbe bisan. Lolo. Or drop it. Unless it be mami or boy. Just like you know whenever ya wave tear live and bet. The more no ya ve ta. Acha na the more no ya ta. Even if you did 10 hours video. Me are ready. She know. That one na my thing. She know. Say, if I dey disturb somebody, every of your video, they follow your back. She know. This one are waiting. Now the one of the rule where they give her that time. One of the rule where they tell her that time. She know. She suppose know whether na 10 hours she take one, whether na 7 hours, whether na 20 hours. He go take 1 week or how many days. He had the dog back. Now be the thing. So all why me no money, she better she chop up. Lole kia wagu. Wawala la video emi no muwere wa we ne mi gbakoto be na ya meso e kia wa muweni uwa amari ya fefefe amari organic people no lilo ga da finya when ma be o give our leather when ya record wi amuginye we ka mi ani ya na kia wi af yo gwani ba bo ana lawe gbe benu mana emi na ya do eki be social media ni ya o give away emi na ya do eki o we na ga na kia no amenu ya bi Amen ya gbekwa no dogara si ekwa bu nu eni ba bomu wa o ne kwemu ewo bi ma bega gbon ni agbon fi o venere fi emi eki bege dagbon we gbakoto ru we hin akwo edu sinu gbakere ru we de come aba ne na organic ni ave aba pa bobo iyan be wenye ga it is beautiful amosi it is beautiful amosi I want to buy ave zoology people. Man is where it's a law. How can you wear in the